Which is better, Google Ads campaign without goal guidance or with, for lowest CPC? So when you click on that plus button for the new campaign, and you've got a variety of goal guidance. If you choose one of the options, you get less features available. But if you set up a campaign without the goal guidance, you get the full spectrum of all the features which are available from Google. So it does not mean that which is better. It just means that what you are looking for. So if you want that the most flexibility for your campaign setup, then run a campaign without the goal guidance option. That does not mean that you are running a campaign without conversion tracking. You should never run a campaign without conversion tracking, because once you start to run and you're starting to get conversions, and then you switch over to an automated bidding and you don't have conversion tracking set up, you don't know. The machine does not know what you are looking for. So 100% first set up your conversions and then set up your account. So running up a campaign with or without goals, it really does not matter.